Welcome everyone, let's screenshot on Google Pixel 6a. So the first method is check the side of your 6a, you see power button and volume down. You're going to click and hold both of these two buttons together, so click and hold until you see a special animation. So I'm going to show that right now. So go Pixel 6a, let's do this together. So we're going to screenshot in 3, 2, 1, click and hold power and volume down, and once you see this animation right here, so you see a little animation, you can release both fingers from the buttons. Now if you have any issues where you try to screenshot and your device just locks, that means you didn't put enough pressure on the volume down. If you try and do the screenshot and you just have the volume down show up, that means you didn't put enough pressure on the power button. So add a lot of pressure on both buttons. Okay, let's do that together again and you'll be good to go. From here you can share the screenshot or edit it. So if I tap on the edit button, you can change the crop, add text, okay, boom, like so. You can highlight, erase, all that good stuff. And if you want to delete the screenshot, tap on delete or the save button. Now the second method is to use multitasking. So open up an app, let's say I want to screenshot this area right here, slide up and hold, okay, so slide up where the home bar is, slide up, hold, and then you see the screenshot button, you just tap on screenshot, and there you go, it will take a screenshot, and you can use the same customization settings as earlier. Now to find your screenshots, just go to the Photos app, and let me just go back. So by default you'll be on the Photos, and you can see no screenshots. So all you do is you tap on Library, Screenshots, and then the screenshots will show up right here, okay? Boom. So that being said, thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.